today we're back on another video, and today we're going to be doing a mukbang. It's your girl, Markayla.
And it's your boy, BB.
Subscribe to our channel, turn the notification, give it a thumbs up if our mukbangs are good. Now let's get into the video. So, we got some Eggos.
And Legos.
Yep. And then we got this from Tropical Smoothie. What flavor did you get?
My favorite kind is the strawberry and banana. I got this.
My favorite kind is the lemon berry. The strawberry lime.
With a lime.
Strawberry lime, that's what it's called. But it says lemon berry right there. So good. Okay, now let's eat our breakfast.
Not breakfast, but
food.
Your food.
Breakfast food. Breakfast.
It looks so good when it's frozen.
No, you don't.
But like when you warm it up, it looks yummy. Let's taste this. If I could get the pancake. Okay. Nope. That's pretty good. Put the syrup on, it's good.
Yeah. Why don't you try Eggos without syrup? That'd be gross.
Some people only do it with butter. Well,
how was your day today?
Yeah.
Was it good or horrible? Mine was good.
Mine was good too.
This combo together, tropical smoothie and Eggos, they're so good. You have to try it.
Hey guys, look at my ear. Well, what do you give this Eggo a Lego?
It's Eggo by Lego. I think. What about you?
I would give this a 100 out of a 100.
I would give it out of 1,000 out of a billion. I really like it. I like the taste. I like the texture.
You said you'll get 1,000 out of 1 billion.
Yeah, 1 billion. I know it sounds weird, but. I know Christmas is over, but it's still going around. Comment down below, what did you get for Christmas?
Yeah.
That was a good question.
Who's ready for 2020 tomorrow?
What?
2020.
Tomorrow's New Year's Eve.
Oh,
Tomorrow's
Eve.
New Year Eve.
Oh, I thought it was tomorrow.
Wouldn't it be cool if you guys had the hats and you can bring in the New Year's doing a mukbang
But how will you run?
with the New Year's hat and glasses? You want to put a Dollar Tree with the glasses and the hats and stuff?
Yeah, I'm gonna do our other mukbang.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like I'm drinking my drink. Does it? Cause she being silly.
Oh.
I'll touch the mic. Y'all about done before me.
It's not no working.
I don't know. So good. We got a surprise at the end. Oh. 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 What's the surprise? You said the end.
Yeah.
We at the end. What's the surprise?
The surprise is like, alright, if we get 20 subscribers before 2020,
No, if we get 1,000 subscribers, we'll shout out.
what?
We'll give a big shout out. No, if we get 1,000 subscribers.
Okay, just 1,000. But if we get 20, I'm gonna give you some of the PSN cards
Okay, so
in the link down below.
Yeah. Alright, that was surprise. Now here's the real surprise. Shout outs. First shout out goes to. Come on.
Epic Games, Fortnite.
Second shout out goes to.
CJ So Cool.
Third shout out goes to the Ace Family. Catherine, Austin, Elle, and Amaya. Now, third shout out goes to. Fourth shout out goes to the show. Fifth shout out goes to Family Fun. Back.
You don't know how to say it.
How do you do it? Family Fun.
No, it goes Family Fun Pack.
Whatever you said. Sixth shout out goes to.
Did we do CJ So Cool?
Yes. Epic Gamer or something, whatever his name is.
Hey, if y'all know Gamer Z, check his Fortnite account. He got a lot of skins.
Okay, that's a shout out.
Shout out.
Seventh shout out goes to the last shout out. I'm sorry, shares. Nope. I do two. It's the Share Fam. I love y'all. Share fam. And then, yeah, I'm going to be sharing the love to the share fam. Then, 8 shout out goes to the Spy Ninjas. Daniel, Regina, Chad Rock Clay, V-Quate. All of you Spy Ninjas. Bye.
I'm done.
Oh, I can't forget about Peasy Line. Well, Melvin. He's, not a Spy Ninja yet, but yeah. Bye.